All right, trying something new today. Yo, this video is about setting habits effectively and effortlessly. Make sure you watch till the end. First, start small. You want simplistic, easy to do habits. Now, we'll talk more about this later in the video, but they should be easy for you. Don't say, take a 15-minute walk if you're in chronic pain and can't get off the couch. Do say, I'll drink 8 glasses of water a day if you can commit to drinking 8 glasses of water a day. Want to start reading? Set a page number goal. I know you can read 15 pages a day. Might not sound like a lot, but over 365 days, that's 5,475 pages. That's about 27 200-page books. Little things add up over time. The simpler a habit is, the more automatic it feels, and the quicker it is adapted. So all I mean by mindset is I can do this today. That's it. That's all you should think. I can do this today. I can do this today. I say this because the actual timeline is demotivating as hell. 21 days to dissolve the old mental image and about 66 days on average to form a new habit. You feel terrible after I said all that, huh? Don't. I can do this today. That's all I want you to do. You do things that make sense, right? You won't try to fly a plane if you don't know how to fly a plane. Target your habits the same way. If a habit won't benefit you positively and won't put you any closer towards achieving your goals, don't do it. It's really that simple. Multitasking is easy, right? Stop lying to yourself. There's no such thing as multitasking. All you do when multitasking is switch your focus from one task to another repeatedly. The same applies to habits. Focus on one habit to form and cement, and once that is locked in place, then you can put another into action. Your brain hates work. That's clear to see in every single human being. So why would forming habits be any different? What you want to do is make it so damn easy for you to do your habit, your brain won't suggest doing anything else. Want to start exercising? Pack a bag with all your gym clothes and supplies in it and take it with you when you leave for work. Create a workout routine ahead of time so when you do get to the gym, you aren't lost or confused on what to do. Plug the gym's location into your phone map and create a little reminder for yourself on Siri or voice memo, whatever, to hit the gym. That way, after a long day of work, you'll have less resistance from your brain. Oh, I already did all this work. Might as well not waste it. There we go. That's what we want, you to do your habit. Anything you see negatively tends to be a negative experience. Things conform to what we expect of them. For instance, let's say you get a new job and your new boss immediately assumes you're a dick. He talks down to you, rolls his eyes at you, and acts like your mere presence is an insult to everything he stands for. How would you end up behaving towards him? That's right, you would start acting like a dick. He treats you poorly because he expects you to be a dick. And you start acting like a dick because he treats you poorly. Same thing goes for habits. If you think something is going to suck and you treat it like it sucks, chances are it will suck. That is why we want to see the habit positively. This is helping me. I'm enjoying this. I'm learning something new. Get me? All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching till the end. I appreciate it. Check out the description down below. Use my TubeBuddy link if you're trying to start a YouTube channel and want to use the most powerful tool to help you out. It would help me out too. I get a cut. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, anyone who needs it. I'm just trying to help people, man. If you like this video and you want more videos about mental health, fitness, or anything else, check these videos out. All right, take care.